Deskera CRM is an all-in-one platform designed to help businesses manage leads, deals, contacts, and customer communication with ease. Whether you're a startup or growing team, Deskera CRM brings together your sales and marketing efforts in one intuitive dashboard. In this video, we'll cover its core features, explain their benefits, and show you how to use the platform effectively. So for its key features and benefits, first is the lead and deal management. Deskera CRM makes it easy to capture, track, and qualify leads through custom pipelines. You can move deals through stages with drag and drop simplicity, assign owners, and track progress with built-in analytics. This keeps your sales process organized and helps you prioritize high potential opportunities for faster conversions. Another key feature is the contact management. You can manage all your contacts with reach detail, track communication history, add notes, schedule follow-ups, and segment your audience. This helps maintain stronger relationships and ensures no lead or customer falls through the cracks. Another key feature is the email campaign integration. You can run personalized email campaigns directly from Deskera CRM. You can create templates, automate follow-ups, and track open/click rates. This aligns your sales and marketing teams while boosting engagement and lead nurturing. Another key feature is the activity and task tracking. Deskera allows you to create, assign, and track tasks and activities like calls, meetings, or emails. This improves daily productivity and ensures nothing gets missed during the sales cycle. Another key feature is the real-time dashboards and reports. Monitor your sales performance with real-time data visualizations. You can track revenue, team activity, win rates, and sales velocity. This gives actionable insights to help you make smarter, data-driven decisions. So why is Deskera CRM a great choice? Deskera CRM stands out for its simplicity, affordability, and seamless integration with Deskera Books and Deskera People. It's especially valuable for small businesses looking to scale without juggling multiple tools. With its mobile-friendly interface and automated features, Deskera helps teams stay connected and efficient whether they're in the office or in the go. So basically, if you're aiming to streamline your sales process and improve customer relationships, the Deskera CRM offers a complete, easy-to-use solution in 2025. With strong contact management, built-in campaign tools, and real-time insights, it gives you everything you need to grow your business and close more deals without the complexity of traditional CRM systems. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.